Ria Money Transfer is a global money transfer service that allows individuals to send and receive money across borders. To understand how Ria Money Transfer works, let us break down the process into steps. First, the sender initiates the transaction by visiting a Ria location or using the Ria website or mobile app. The sender provides the recipient's details, including their name, location, and the amount to be transferred. The sender then pays the transfer amount and the applicable fee. Next, Ria processes the transaction and converts the funds into the local currency of the recipient's country. If necessary, Ria has a network of agents and partners in over 160 countries, which facilitates the transfer of funds. Once the transaction is processed, the recipient can collect the funds from a Ria location or have the funds deposited into their bank account. The recipient can also receive the funds via mobile wallet or home delivery, depending on the services available in their country. To receive the funds, the recipient typically needs to provide identification and the transaction reference number. This ensures that the funds are delivered to the correct person and helps prevent fraud. One of the key benefits of using Ria Money Transfer is its speed and convenience. Most transactions are processed within minutes, allowing the recipient to access the funds quickly. Additionally, Ria offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective option for sending money abroad. To get the most out of Ria Money Transfer, it is essential to understand the fees and exchange rates associated with the service. Ria charges a transfer fee, which varies depending on the transfer amount and the destination country. The exchange rate also affects the amount of money the recipient receives. To minimize costs, it is recommended to compare the fees and exchange rates offered by Ria with those of other money transfer services. Additionally, sending larger amounts can help reduce the transfer fee as a percentage of the total amount. In conclusion, Ria Money Transfer is a reliable and efficient way to send and receive money across borders. By understanding the process and taking advantage of the competitive rates and fees, individuals can make the most out of this service. Whether you are sending money to family and friends or making international business transactions, Ria Money Transfer is a convenient and secure option.